Pdca. The plan? Do? Check. Cycle is a four-step model for carrying out change. It also is known as the Deming Cycle or Deming Wheel after Deming, who introduced the concept in Japan in the 1950s. Just as a circle has no end, the Pdca cycle should be repeated again and again for continuous improvement. The four phases in the plan do check cycle involve plan identifying and analyzing the problem. Do developing and testing a potential solution. Check measuring how effective the test solution was and analyzing whether it could be improved in any way. Act implementing the improved solution fully. For this class, we are going to use the Pdca for teamwork. Plan. You need to decide what you will do during the period and share this with an advisor and a small group. The plan is recorded in some way either by the practitioner or the team members, or both together. The purpose is to connect members' interest with purposeful actions. Do. Your team begin your chosen activities, and continue until you have completed your plans or changed them. As the year work, the advisor will move among you, watching closely and supporting you if you need or request it. This part of the session usually lasts from 45 to 55 minutes. Then team clear up and store unfinished projects. Check. You meet with your advisor to share what you have done. Advisors question and discuss the activities. The purpose is to help you to reflect on, understand and build on your actions. Act. Take action based on what you learned in the study step. If the change did not work, go through the cycle again with a different plan. If you were successful, incorporate what you learned from the check into wider changes. Use what you learned to plan new improvements, beginning the cycle again. Can you use Pdca for your university learning? Yes, you can. Plan. You plan how do you manage your time, homework and teamwork. You should write down the steps of working. You can expect how much you will get the grade in each class. Do. You regularly sit and participate in the class. You may find out more books in doing your homework. If you still have questions, you could ask your instructors. Check. After you get the grade during the midterm or year projects, please check that you got as what you expect to have. For example, you plan to get A in the class but you got B instead. You need to check what is the root cause. If the root cause is about the lack of self-study time, you might need to increase the time. Act. If your plan does not work out, you need to find another strategy to improve your learning. For example, you can find another learning technique that helps you accomplish your study. You may have a tutorial with your friends or you can review your lesson from the online material.